Hello world, it's me again. And like I said yesterday, if I was bored, I would sing a song. So, I'm gonna sing a song. But I don't know which one to sing. Because I want to do something Britney Spears, but it just doesn't seem to work out for me. So I'm gonna pick a song that I really want to sing. Okay. How about... I don't know if anyone's heard this, but Don't Go Knocking on My Door by Britney Spears. Such a good song, ladies and gentlemen. So that's the one that I am going to sing. Okay. So, if it'll play, ladies and gentlemen, Britney Spears, Don't Go Knocking on My Door. Time is up. No more cheating now. No more tears to dry. You and I were like so bye-bye. Finally, I am over you. Totally I'm blue and I can hear myself saying I am better off without you. Stronger than ever and I'm telling you now, don't go knocking on my door. Gotta stay away for sure. You say you miss me like crazy now, but I ain't buying that. You better get off my back. Don't go knocking on my door. I can see it's no mystery. It's so clear to me. What the hell is a mystery? It's okay. I can't sleep at night. It will be alright. I can hear myself saying I am better off without you. Stronger than ever and I'm telling you now, don't go knocking on my door. Gotta stay away for sure. Hey, you say you miss me like crazy now, but I ain't buying that. You better get off my back. Don't go knocking on my... I gotta stay away for sure. You say you miss me like crazy now, but I ain't buying that. You better get off my back. Don't go knocking on my... That's right, baby. Don't go knocking on my door. Do what you want, as long as you don't come now. Oh yeah. I ain't buying that. You'd better get off my back. Don't go knocking on my door. Gotta stay away for sure. Oh, you say you miss me like crazy now, but I ain't buying that. You better get off my back. Don't go knocking on my... Gotta stay away for sure, and I ain't buying that. You better get off my back. Don't go knocking on my door. I hope that wasn't too weird or bad. So, give me some comments or some feedback, people. Come on. I'm a one-girl band here. Just singing and talking my life away when I don't have any fans or any subscriptions. Come on, people. Let's move it! Alright, I'm so bored. I might make another video. Okay. Bye, ladies and gentlemen. And I don't want to catch you knocking on my door.